Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a four-seater, two chairs and an open back settee right here. I'll give you dimensions and details about this. First, let's talk about the settee part. This is a very good addition to any sofa set. It can be used as standalone unit. You can keep it in a bedroom as a bedroom couch. The size is 5.5 feet by 24 inches. The width of this one, and same from all the sides. The carving you see on this on the front part, we have got carving on this part as well. We have got design on this side as well, and that also. So you can keep it any ways you like, this way or this way. And the best part about adding this is if you have, let's say, a French window on the other side, or maybe you have some garden view or a TV on front, it doesn't block the view. So if I'm sitting here, my view is clear. I don't have any obstruction right in front, because generally sofas have a back this way or this way. Still, the view will be obstructed, and this thing is quite good, and you can use it with any sofa, and it looks a different unit in a setup. This is a different setup altogether. It doesn't have that monotony that we generally have in a sofa set. So we have a three-seater, two-seater, one-seater, all in shape, all in same shape and design. Here we have a Chester style sofa. This is a four-seater, 8.5 feet left to right. The back height is 32 inches, and front to back this is 36, 3 feet deep. And these are normally more deep than the regular sofas. I can sit very comfortably on this sofa, and this is the best part when we don't have back, the crown back that we generally have in our sofas. So my hand is resting easily here. I can stretch my hand this way also, and I'm very comfortable sitting any ways I want. And the length, you can see how much length I'm getting. The four-seater unit, quite lengthy, as per the wall of the client, as the client wanted. With this, we have a chair. I'll move the chair so you can see clearly. Here. This is chair is 42 inches left to right. Back height is 42 again. Front to back 30 inches. A wide chair, and for Maharaja sitting that you like. A beautiful suede fabric as selected by the client, and the overall dimension as I've given you. The entire structure, all the wooden part that you see, the carving part is made in teak wood, is walnut brown finish in gloss, and the fabric with the back quilting as you can see here, and the entire setup. Now, three things I like to mention here. First, the designing part. At Aarsun, what we do, when you visit a showroom, you see some sofa sets or other furniture, what you're looking for. When you visit there and you see that, this is what you can buy. If let's say they have a three-seater, two-seater, and two chairs, a seven-seater or nine-seater, and you like that thing, but you want 3-1-1, or let's say you want 3-2-1, a six-seater, they'll not break the set. They'll say you buy it as it is, or we'll make a new one for you. Now here what we do is we make it as per your requirement. So as you want it, you want different design for chairs, we have done it. You want a Chester design, is right here, and the settee is right here. So first thing is customization and the choice part. What you like, we make that. We don't provide what we have. So you have selected it, we'll make it. The second point is about the choice of size, design, and color. The design, as you can see, is different. The sofa is different. The design of the chair is different. What we have matched here is the design of the legs. As you can see, the lower part, the paw part, is same in all the units. So this is the kind of customization. If you look at the original Chester design of ours, it has a different design. But here we have matched the theme. So the customization involves the design, the size. You want a bigger one, we have done it. A three-seater converted to a four-seater. The colors. Colors means the color of the unit. You want it in natural finish, matte finish, this is gloss, walnut finish, you want mahogany, cherry, or you want it in paints, Duco paints, let's say white, off-white, gold highlighting, antique silver, rose gold, dual shade, triple shade. There are so many colors we have already done, and all these videos are available on YouTube, more than 1500 videos to showcase what we are doing, what we have done. The third part in the choice is the fabric part, and that's the most important part, because fabric changes the entire look of any set. So what you like a different color, you want something in damask design, you want jacquard, or you want some uh, other pattern fabric. So let us know. You want patches, we do that. So there are so many fabrics we have already used. So let us know your choice. We'll provide the options, and those options you can see, you can check whichever you like. We use that, and that generally has a cap of a price, because 500, 600 rupees per meter fabric we include along with the set. But if you want expensive, that is charged extra. Or you can also provide your own fabric. If you like something from a nearby store, send it to us, we'll use that. Another point is about the pricing. We are making it here and delivering to your door, and that saves a lot of cost. There is no trader, no middleman, no commission agent right in the middle who is taking extra charge. So going from here to your place, and you're getting the best deal, the brand of Aarsun, the quality of Aarsun, right at your doorstep. And with the doorstep is my last point: India or out of India. 55 countries we have already delivered to. You can visit our website and see the testimonial section, and you'll find thousands of pictures there. Thousands, not hundreds, thousands of pictures there from across the globe, not just India. And these pictures are, once the stuff reached the client's place, they have placed it, they're happy with the unit output, they click the picture, sent it back to us with the love, the blessings, and a thanks. And we are so happy and proud to display that on our website. And these pictures can give you a good idea of how you want to design your own stuff. When you have so many ideas, it gives you what is looking good, how is it matching the other things like the wallpaper or the ceiling design or the carpet, how the matching is people are doing. And even a lot of interior designers and architects are taking ideas from this, because these pictures are from across the globe. So when you have so many ideas, it always helps. So teakwood furniture, your choice, size, design, color, fabric, everything, home delivery and factory price. This is what Aarsun offers along with the brand of Aarsun, the quality and the durability. Number is right here. Select what you want. Let us know your choice. We'll make it and deliver to your home. Hope you like the work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.